Hi guys, and welcome back to Beauty Fortified, and today I wanted to show you how you can transform your eyes using one eyeshadow. And today I'm going in with a cream eyeshadow stick, and it's one from Revlon. We are keeping things all drugstore today, but if you wanted to go a little bit more high end, you can always reach for the Bobbi Brown cream shadow sticks, which are really very good. Or if you have access to Laura Mercier caviar sticks, then you can go with one of those. But I'm using my Revlon today. I really love this one, and it is a matte shadow, so I prefer to use a matte shadow for this look. You can use something with a little bit of shimmer, depending on how far up onto your upper lid you want to go. So I'm keeping things all matte, and I'm going to show you a very, very quick technique about how you can apply this, and it really is a great everyday option. So what you'll need is a cream shadow stick, and then you'll also need a tapered blending brush. So I'm using a MAC 217. It is a crease brush, but it is slightly tapered at the end, and it does have a little bit of firmness to it as well. So now onto the tutorial. Taking the eyeshadow stick, I'm going to be starting at the very outer corner of the eye, and I'm just going to build up a little bit of color just on the outer third, as close to the lash line as you can get it. And then taking my blending brush, I'm just going to start blending that out. So I'm just creating a smooth wash of color on the mobile lid, and then I'm going to bring that up in small circular motions just towards the outer corner of the upper lid. And I'm just going to blend that until it really is quite a sheer wash of color. So already you can see that that has given me some definition, and I want to amp it up a little bit. So I'm going to add a little bit more of the shadow stick again to the outer third of the mobile lid, just to create a little bit more depth. And then I'm going to go back in with the blending brush, and I'm just going to blend that out and again shear it up towards the outer corner and a little bit up onto my upper lid. And then with whatever's left, I'm going to gently just do windscreen wiper motions into my socket line, just to further enhance the definition. And then taking what's left on the brush, I'm just going to gently line the lower lash line, so not adding any more pigment to the lower lash line, but just using what I have on the brush just to help create a little bit of definition on the bottom lid. So I like to keep the first 2/3 of the upper lid quite light and bright, just to open up the eye, and you just need your color on the outer third of the lid. Now I'm going to go in with some mascara, and we're just going to apply a couple of coats of that. I'm going in with my Essence Lash Princess Waterproof. Now I'm going to go in and do the other eye again, just placing the shadow as close to the lash line as possible, and then just building it up slightly onto the outer third of the eye, and then taking the blending brush and just blending that out. And so guys, there you have it. I really love the simplicity of this look. It really is quick and easy. It does last all day. And I also love the versatility of the shadow stick. You can just pop it into your handbag. You can use this as a sheer wash all over your lids for a day at the office. And then if you're going out after work, you can amp it up a little bit just by building up the outer corner and just smudging it out. So really is a true one and done. So guys, let me know what your one and done techniques are, any favorite shadows that you like to use. I'd love to hear from you. Please leave a comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.